How these become this? The basic ingredients for cakes are wheat flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. With this many ingredients, we can bake the cake. Other ingredients are added to make a cake taste different, or change color. Tons of other ingredients are used to decorate the cake, just to add the aesthetic value to the cake. Here in this tiny documentary, we will learn how these basic ingredients are transformed into an internationally known food item called cake. So sit back and be ready to enjoy some beautiful videos topped with information. Cake flour is best for cake because, as its name suggests, it is custom prepared for cake. But the problem is, we cannot get cake flour in all parts of the world. If that is the case, all-purpose flour is okay for cake. Because cake flour or all-purpose flour, both are basically wheat flour. If you really want to add some characteristic of cake flour to all-purpose flour, add 2 teaspoons of corn flour to a cup of all-purpose flour. This will do the trick, though not perfect. Before we learn about baking cake, we must understand one thing. As with many recipes, there isn't one universal method to make the cake. Sky's the limit. Following is common in almost all types of cake. First, the flour is sifted. Sifting is a process that breaks up any lumps in the flour. The main reason for sifting is to make the flour soft and light. Sifted flour, which is much lighter than unsifted flour, is easier to mix into other ingredients when forming a cake batter or making the dough. Next, the eggs should be whipped. How many eggs? 2 eggs for a cup of flour is fine. Add 1 or 2 more eggs won't do much harm. To do so, eggs are cracked into. No, not like that. Eggs are gently cracked into a bowl. How to use eggs? Whole egg? Or only egg whites? It depends on personal preference. Adding whole egg makes the cake protein rich. And adds some yellowish color because of the egg yolk. So adding eggs differently alters the cake properties slightly. That's all. While whipping egg, the air is forced into egg whites, causing the protein in the egg whites to stretch and create bubbles around the water within the whites. Whipping transforms the eggs to cream. This is the time other ingredients are added one by one. For a cup of flour, half a cup of sugar is sufficient. But if you are a sugar lover, you know what to do. Careful there, too much is not good. So as the eggs are already whipped, sugar is slowly added and mixed. Then the butter is added to the mix. 1 cup of butter is good. Now comes the time to add flour. Flour is added slowly, as the mixer is on the run. Haste at this time will ruin all the preparation. Adding flour is a crucial time and extra care is taken. Urgency at this time will form lumps, which is hardened, unmixed group of flour in the batter. So the flour is added slowly, little by little. A teaspoon of baking powder will make the cake fluffy. Any flavor can be added at this stage. Adding some vanilla essence will make it a vanilla cake. Adding some chocolate mix will make it a chocolate cake. As of now, all the preparation is finished. Only thing left is to bake the cake. Here a bit of confusion arises, because there is no rule of thumb. A personalized learning curve is needed. The heat and time batter to be in the oven differ based on the type of oven and the size of the pan used. Generally, it is 662 Fahrenheit or 350 Celsius, and any time period between 30 to 50 minutes. Once the cake is taken out of oven, it is ready to eat. How to decorate the cake? You can watch the video, you see the link above, which will give you some cake decorating ideas. With some trial and error, anybody can bake the cake. Now you know how to bake the cake. What kind of cake you are planning to bake this weekend? Are you going to try some new flavor for cake? Is there any easier method you know? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, which you actually do. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless.